C4 Corvette here. Nice looking convertible. Red exterior and red interior. White top. Top is like new on this one, vinyl top. Of course, underneath the hood in this one, 5.7 liter tune port injected V8. That is paired with an automatic with overdrive. I believe these were a 4L60E. Anyway, automatic with overdrive tranny. Stock wheels. Power steering, power brakes. AC does blow cold also. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the underside, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
As far as the nose cone, a few little touch-ups on it. Nice shape for the miles. Like it's 54,000 miles. It's been driven. You can expect to see just a few little rock chips here and there, but overall, nice shape on this one. Take a look up and down the side of it, not full of dings, nicks, scratches. What you'd expect out of a car this vintage. Again, red leather interior, so you got red on red. Of course, the way the black dash wraps around, we have a two-tone interior. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, still pictures. See the top up, top down, interior, undersides. Take your time and look through it. Still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, that phone number one more time, 507-386-1726. Classic looking Corvette in red versus C4s. Came out in 1984. Kind of the radical wedge design back then. Kind of a good bang for the buck car nowadays. That 5.7 underneath the hood. All right, let's take a look here. Now, as far as options, of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Does have protective door sill plate there. Seats. Not full of holes, rips, or tears. Power seats, both sides. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Here it run. Check out the instrumentation, everything else here. All right, let me get that tilted down a second. So there you go, there's your exact miles, 54,079. Temp gauge, oil temp, oil pressure, your tach there. Have your climate control, CD cassette. Take a look at the dash. Not full of wear, cracks, anything like that. And again, 54,000 miles. Slip around to the back seat here. Pretty much you'd expect a stock 90 Vette to sound like. No crazy exhaust, anything like that. Cami engine. Speaking of engine, I'm going to pause this a second and let's take a look at that engine bay, see how that looks. Before I pop that hood up, I'm going to quick flip those headlights around so you can see the headlights working. Everything's fine there. And like I said, we'll flip that top up too so you can check that out. So, alright, there you go. So the headlights are good. Now, I'll pause it again and pop this hood for you. Here's that 5.7 liter TPI or tune port injected engine. Tidy engine bay, what you'd expect. Once again, Slip around to this other side so you can see it too. It's pretty stock. Alright. Now, one last thing. I'm going to pause this and let's pop that top up so you can check out the white vinyl top in this. I'm going to close everything up, turn it off, and let's check out that top. Top is popped up so you can get a look at it, buttoned everything else up on it. And like I said, pretty much like new. There's no rips, tears, anything like that. Fits nice and tight. This is just kind of shadowing. Get it out in the sun in the summer, that'll tighten right up. It is vinyl. Rear window is plastic. You can see how nice and clear it is also. There's no discolored rear window or anything to it. And fits nice and tight. Fits on there real well. So there you go. 1990 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Approximately 54,000 miles on it. Red on red, white top. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.